In this video, I'm going to tell you all about Trust Score. Every short form platform, every platform has Trust Score, has an internal Trust Score. And if you found this video, you're deep into it now, man. You came to the right place and you're really digging into how to grow on Instagram or whatever short form platform you're using. And you've recognized, it's not just about the content. All these, influencers, whoever you're watching YouTube videos on, their trust score is already high. They don't need to worry about it. They post content and it does well and they lucked out and they're not struggling at all. But if you're researching trust score, it's because you recognize that something's wrong at the account level that's holding you back from getting views, and you're 100% right. So the first thing you have to do is like this video for the algorithm, and that will bring you good luck to grow on Instagram. The second thing you need to do is understand what the platform's looking for as far as trust score. Very simply, they just want an account that posts good videos that people like. But beyond that, they want to make sure that you're not a bot. They want to make sure that you're a human. And what you have to do is kind of look like a human. And that's kind of hard sometimes, but you need to be watching content in your niche. You need to be liking, subscribing, saving content no more than 10 times a day. Leave comments, leave full sentences in your comments. Try to be the top comment and gain traffic that way. And then from there, you need to understand what's going to flag an account and give it low trust. Their shadow bans absolutely exist. And some of those things are, number one, getting action blocked. If you do too many actions in a day, it's gonna ding you. It's gonna think you're a bot. The second one is posting and ghosting. Like if you don't do any interactions other than post, it might think you're a bot. And then the account creation process. When you create your account and you create a brand new email, it's not trusted yet. For some reason, Instagram can kind of tell based on the email you're using if it's an aged email or not. That plays a huge role. And I share a lot more info in my school group, but basically it's looking at everything. You're talking about some of the most advanced spyware that's ever been created. It's on your phone, taking in everything. They're listening to you when you're not using the platform. I mean, taking in everything. And they know everything about you. So we need to look as human as possible. We need to look high trust. So that means not posting, content that goes against terms of service. That means not getting action blocked. That means not starting accounts with brand new emails, things like that. And then from there, we need to post and interact with the platform in a way that slowly builds trust over time. That means warming up the account. So part of the account warm-up process, and I share the full process in my school group, part of that process is basically interacting with content in your niche, okay? So that's ultimately going to tell Instagram who to show your content to, which then drives engagement to your content, because people aren't interested. If you're looking for how to monetize your Instagram page, you're not interested in the AI slop about, Minecraft, right? So if you're shown one of those videos, you're going to swipe immediately off, and those videos aren't good. It's shown to the wrong person. So in order to get your videos shown to the right people, you need to be interacting with those accounts. Okay, so that's part of the warm-up process. And then from there, we need to be posting once a day. And it's really hard because I know we want to grow fast. And you're like, well, so-and-so posts 6 times a day. When you build your trust score, you can get away with a lot. You can post, off schedule. You can post back to back. Like you can do all kinds of things. But when we're low trust, we have to recognize we're low trust and act accordingly. So we build with once a day. And then we have to watch how that video gets distributed. If you get an outlier video, then it's okay to start to post more. And you have to monitor how your posts are doing, basically. All right. So we're trying to maximize trust score by making sure we start the account with an aged email. That means 2 to 3 weeks old at least. 2-factor authentication with a phone number. Not looking like a a bot who only posts, not getting action blocked, not breaking terms of service. All of those things over time will eventually build the trust score of your account. And you have to be patient in this process. It's very, very difficult. I spent a very long time, trying to figure this stuff out, whether it's my accounts, which I run, over 10 accounts, or helping other people, which I've coached over 100 people now on how to do this. Ultimately, I'm seeing the same patterns over and over again, and there is an internal trust score. There is such a thing as shadow ban, and we have to make sure that we're doing all the steps in the process correctly in order to get Instagram to trust us to push our content. Okay? And it sucks that they do this, but the problem is spam on the platform is a really big issue. People are running hundreds of accounts, doing phone farms and trying to really take advantage of the platform, and they really want to fight against that. So they want to make sure that you're a real person. All right. So another thing you can do is make sure you post stories. Try to post 2 stories a day. That makes you look more human. And then try to use all the features of the platform. So you're posting trial reels if you got them. If you have that feature, you're DMing people. That's going to be huge. You have to make sure you're interacting with people through the DMs, and you're commenting, on pages. You're trying to use all the features of the platform. Again, not too much, but a little bit every day. And ultimately, you can build up to posting twice a day and then 3 times a day. And some people as many as 5 or 6. But you have to slowly build up to that. Make sure your views are continuing to break out. And if they continue to break out, then you're pretty much good to go. Within your content, though, you need to make sure that you're using some kind of call to action to take advantage of these views, because anyone watching this video and learning about Trust Score is obviously taking this very, very seriously. And the reason you're taking it serious is because you see the opportunity to make money. And there's absolutely an opportunity to make money from Instagram. There are people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, up to millions of dollars per month with Instagram. And those are the most popular pages. But how did they get popular? They all started at 0, okay? Every single one of them. And they had to build up over time. And if you're getting views, once your trust score is good, you need to be taking advantage of those views and making sure that you're monetizing. And one of the best ways to do that is make sure you have a call to action in your content. Comment whatever, and I'll send you something like that to get people to comment. And then you need to set up an automation to automatically respond to that comment, and then send them a DM with whatever you're offering. Now, if you connect any kind of third-party service, if you connect it too soon, that's another way Instagram knows you might be a bot or taking advantage of the platform. So you have to be careful with that. Make sure you do it a couple weeks in. And then make sure you're not adding a link too soon. You need to make sure you add that a couple weeks in. Because ultimately, their job, Instagram's job, is to keep people on the platform. We're actively trying to take people off the platform to go, buy our stuff. And they don't really like that. So we need to kind of play their game a little bit. But if you're here with me at the end of this video, I'm going to give you something incredible. I'm going to give you the best affiliate program. We're all here for passive income. We're all here to make some money. And the best way to make money from Instagram is to help me promote my school group. Okay? When you join the group, you earn monthly recurring commissions for every member that you refer. There's no other affiliate program in the world like this, and there's no other affiliate program that will teach you how to promote the affiliate program. So that's what the group is about, is it teaches you how to grow on Instagram. It gives you the full warm-up process, the full high trust score process, the full viral video framework, a CapCut editing tutorial, and how to reach the right people with your content using every method possible, like really deeping diving into getting into like how to maximize this, how to optimize completely and make some money from the platform. So if you're interested in that, check the link in the description below. And if you're still with me, like the video for the algo, and I'll see you next time.